Yo, I found a secret bag in Drug Drive Simulator. Go to the career. Let's go, let's go. Sarep. Let's go. Let's go to the career. Let's go. This is limited, bro. Don't talk to me like that. I'm gonna end you, bro. Let's go to the career. I found a secret bag. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, shit. Let's go, let's go. Watch until the end, because I'm gonna show you. Don't skip, bro. Here is the career. Let's go, let's go. Boom. I'm in the career. Watch I'm gonna do, bro. If your friends go in here in the Drug Drive Simulator, if you play hide and seek, go here. Boom. And boom. 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 Wow. It had another one. I swear. This garage is so close, bro. So, here, another. This is another one. Hey. Hey. Watch. If you play hide and seek in your friends in Roblox, in Drug Drive Simulator, just like this, and boom, she's not gonna see you. So I'm gonna show you where I got this bike. Let's go. It's near the career where I got this bike. Let's go. Oh! Wheelie. Oh no. Wheelie. Uy. Oh. Ay. Let's go here. Where I got this bike. Let's go to the Honda dealership. This is a new stock. And Honda dealership. This is the new stock, bro. Hi, here guys. Let's go. Oh shoot, I crashed. This limited. Just play Drug Drive Simulator and buy this right now. It's gonna die, bruh. Buy it right now. So this is the end of the vlog. I hope you're gonna like it. Bye.